This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and this application allows you to watch live TV or football and pretty much all of those stuffs by just using a link. So all you have to do is pretty much tap on the plus icon here in the middle, and you'll be able to import playlists using URL and using codes and pretty much using links. As well, you can upload M3 files as well. Pretty much will give you a list of TV channels which you can watch and so forth. So you have to pretty much go on Google and so forth to search for those. So all you have to do, any one of these that you want to use, just tap on your import your playlist or URL option, and you're pretty much good to go. For example, this one here at the top, as I said before, you will encounter a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind while navigating through the application. So if you want to remove these ads, you pretty much will need to get a subscription as it relates to this application here. So all of you just tap on the continue option here and exit off. So as you can see here, the URL option, we pretty much can upload here. You have the auto update option as well. And all you have to do once you have pretty much entered all this information, you tap on add playlist and you're pretty much good to go. You have the extreme option here as well. This information, then you tap on add extreme, and you have the single stream option here as well. As you can see, pretty much show you how to play the single stream if you still don't understand. So very easy to use. As well, you do have other options as well as this here. So once I've finished watching all these ads, as I said before guys, this application has a lot of ads. So you may need to get the subscription for all of these. So tap on this here and that, and here you'll be able to add your playlist, and this is pretty much where your playlist section will be shown and so forth. So as it relates to the subscription for this application here, you can tap on this here where it says live TV and unlimited play TV playlist. Tap on this option here. It will give you these for completely free. It will show these and you'll be able to use as well. But if you don't have the subscription, you won't be able to see these. So these are live TVs which you can watch using the application, as you can see here, but you have to pay a subscription. So if you're going to get a subscription here, as you can see, pretty much have a monthly subscription, a weekly subscription, and a year subscription. If you want all of these unlocked, you have to get one of your subscription. So that's pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if I can help you out. So see you in the next one.